Hi, welcome back. Welcome back. It's Ronnita with Everyday Insight Spiritual Guidance. If you're new, take a moment, or if it feels right to you, like, share, and subscribe, okay, to the channel. This space is for clear thinking and calm direction, not pressure. Today, we're looking at something many people don't realize or even realize they're doing, carrying things that quietly work against them. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what that looks like and what to do next. So the reality of this week and this time of the year has a way of pulling on you and me from every direction: finances, emotions, expectations, responsibilities, and the pressure to finish the year strong. Okay. But a recent behavior study shows that 58% of all adults feel mentally overloaded in the first 2 weeks of December, and nearly halfway into the month already fatigued from the pressure of November, let alone adding in the different time changes, the weather, less daytime, more nighttime. So that also signals some cadences and different things adjusting into our bodies. So if you feel tired, stretched, or preoccupied before the day even begins, you're not imagining it. Your system is reacting to many quiet demands at once. So a one-on-one reframe is what you want to look at, okay? So I want you to think about this as if we were sitting together, okay? Just together, like we're doing right now. We're talking one-on-one. So not in a crowd, just you and me. And I would ask you a simple question. What are you carrying that your system was never built to hold long term? This is just us talking here, us talking in a session together for clarity sessions and mentorship and different things in your life. But what are you carrying that your system system was never built to hold long term? It's usually something emotional, not loud, not dramatic, but steady, okay? Like a slow leak, all right? Very slow leak. So in this, before I pull the cards, let me say this clearly to you. I don't use the tarot to predict your future right now. I don't predict your future. I use it in the same way you would use a mirror to reflect what's already happening inside you. It's simply a visual tool that helps to bring forward what you already know but haven't said out loud yet. All right. So when I pull these cards, I've already pre-pulled. I'm not telling your future. I'm helping you, friend, to see the moment more honestly. So I have the Christmas Rider-Waite deck I've already pre-pulled. And so this is the deck. It's a figure of the holiday season, okay, and the seasonal. So I have the Ten of Wands here, the Ten of Wands. Is in this deck is a figure carrying a huge bundle of candy canes. They're wands, all right, and almost too many to hold. You see them there? A whole lot going on, a lot of candy canes. So this card represents overload, taking on too much, saying yes when you're already at capacity. It's the picture of someone who means well, but is exhausted from doing it all alone. And then we have the Queen of Pentacles here, the Queen of Pentacles, right? In this Christmas deck, she's looking nurturing, the caretaker, the stabilizer, the one everyone depends on. We know this person well lots of times. But here's the deeper truth about this, okay? She isn't meant to carry everything, okay? She's meant to manage wisely, not endlessly. Together, these cards say you're carrying something that used to serve you, but now is working against you. Okay? So what you're actually carrying, what are you actually carrying? Together, I'm going to go back over that. Together, these cards are saying you're carrying something that used to serve you, used to help you, but now is working against you. It's too much. In other words, too much. All right. So there are three quiet things people carry without noticing. So you're actually what you're actually carrying. There's three things. Okay. I'll get into the details, but I'm gonna name the three in the title. Emotional weight you don't voice, mental over planning, responsibility creep. So the emotional weight you don't voice, a disappointment, a fear of letting someone down, pressure to maintain the family tone, a habit of holding everything inside you so it don't disrupt anyone else. And this can be in a lot of areas of your life. There's 8 million pillars, but you can think about what that area may be. And then mental over planning. Your mind is solving problems before they exist. It's a little bit of worry, okay? Preparing for outcomes you don't control, trying to protect everyone except yourself. And then number 3 is responsibility creep. This is where tasks, expectations, and obligations slowly pile up until they feel normal, even when they're draining you. This is how people end up working against themselves without knowing it. So the pillar of this week, the beginning was focus. Go back and look at that video. And then this week is bringing in the additional aspect of honest capacity. So this week isn't about strength. It's about capacity. Okay. It's about capacity. Strength asks, can I do it? Can I do it? And capacity asks, should I be doing this at all? All right. Your system, your emotional, mental, and physical self has limits, friend. They have limits. Look at that. And honoring those limits is not weakness, it's wisdom. So a simple practice to clear the load is this. I want you to identify one thing you're carrying that you know is wearing you down. And you ask yourself, is this my responsibility? Is this helping me or hurting me? Am I carrying this out of fear, habit, or pressure? And then release one part of it. Just one, and your system will feel the difference immediately. Okay? So your affirmation, and let's anchor this together. I release what works against me. I choose what strengthens me. I release what works against me and I choose what strengthens me. So if you're ready to get clearer or get clear of what's weighing you down in many areas or certain areas of your life, or what needs to shift going into the new year aspect, you can book a clarity session with me or learn or much more. Okay, so or learn more about yourself with mentorship and so much more. Give me a connect with the current website eclipticspiritualist.com. You will see it change in the near future, but move with intention, okay, not pressure. And I will see you later in the next video.